In this class, we are going to talk about different string operators and the if string. There are many built-in functions in Python which perform operations on strings. The simplest is concatenation, which basically means joining two strings together. We can apply concatenation using the plus sign. Let's create a string variable and assign your name to it. Then create another variable and assign your age to it. Now, if you try creating a new variable to store your info using the concatenation operation, Python will throw an error. Basically because the second variable, my_age, is an integer and not a string. We can convert it to string using this function, as it shows here. This statement means that the new value of the variable my_age will be equal to the old value after converting it to string type. If you try applying concatenation this time, it will work. We can count how many characters the variable string has using the len function, as it shows in this example. As you can see, the function returns 7 because we have 7 characters in the string variable myInfo. But remember, its index starts from 0 and ends with 6, as we learned in the previous video. We can print the index of a character in the string using the index function. Let's say you want to know the index of the letter R in my previous string variable my_info. The command will be as follows. This will return number 2 because the index of the letter R in the string variable my_info is 2. Note that if you have the same character repeated in the string, the function will return the index of the first character encountered in that string, as you can see. To count how many times a certain character repeated in a string, you can use the function count. Let's count how many times the character A repeated in the string variable my_info. You can also use the count function for counting substrings, as you can see. We can omit any character or a substring from a string using the replace function. The function works as follows, where old is the string that you want to replace and new is the string to replace the old value with. Let's remove 30 from the string variable my_info and print it. The last operations we are going to learn on strings are the lower and upper operations. From the name of these operations, they can convert your string variable to lowercase or uppercase, as it shows in this example. One more useful topic to talk about here related to strings is fstring. It's a string formatting mechanism known as literal string interpolation, or more commonly as fstrings. It allows you to insert data into your string and manipulate it. Let's see this example. I have created two string variables to store my name, and I have another string variable that should contain my full name. Now, to convert the last string variable to fstring, we need to put the letter F before the text and place the variable names in the curly bracket within the new fstring variable, as you can see. In this video, we learned operations on strings and we took examples how to use them. We also learned what is fstring and how to implement it within your code. See you in the next video.